Ever wondered about what rights you hold as a buyer or seller in the bustling Ontario real estate market? Let's unravel this together. First off, everyone is entitled to a fair transaction. This principle is the bedrock of any real estate dealing. It ensures that both buyers and sellers are treated with impartiality and fairness without any undue influence or pressure. Any hint of deception or misrepresentation is a clear violation of this right. Now, on to professional representation. This is your right to have a licensed real estate professional represent you in your transaction. These professionals are regulated by the Real Estate Council of Ontario, and they are bound by a strict code of ethics to protect your interests. They are your guiding light in the complex world of real estate. Next up, informed decision-making. You have the right to be provided with all relevant information about a property. This includes the history of the property, any known defects, and the terms and conditions of the sale. The Ontario Real Estate Association and the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation are great resources to tap into for this purpose. Let's talk about transparent fees. This is your right to know all the costs associated with your transaction up front. It means no hidden fees, no surprise charges, just clear, upfront information about what you are paying for and why. And lastly, let's touch upon privacy. This is your right to have your personal information protected. Real estate professionals are required to follow strict privacy rules to ensure that your personal information is not shared without your consent. In summary, as a buyer or seller in the Ontario real estate market, you have the right to fair transactions, professional representation, informed decision-making, transparent fees, and privacy. These rights are your shield, your armor in the dynamic and often complex world of real estate. So remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your rights is the first step towards a successful real estate journey.